What's up guys, MX Style, this is how it's going down. In this episode we'll be talking about my portfolio, so let's get into it. At first I was investing into the stock market, so I started investing in trading 212, and I have to give a shout out to, I don't know how to pronounce it, I think it's Biza, some like 18-year-old kid or whatever on YouTube. I was watching his videos and then I stumbled across his so-called method of trading, which was basically to look at an RSI, and when it goes in the oversold section, so below the line, that's when you buy. And yeah, from there I sort of researched into trading, and then I just remembered Bitcoin, and then I basically sold all of my stock that I bought at the time, and then I just invested that into crypto. So let's get into my portfolio. So first of all, we're going to track my profits. So as time's been going on, I've sort of diversified my portfolio in the cryptocurrency space. I started off with Bitcoin, and I've been dollar cost averaging not dollar cost average, I don't buy dollars, I have pounds, but you know what I mean. I've been buying into Bitcoin every month, every week, and that's sort of been accumulating my position. And then I realized, I sort of thought, why would I limit myself to one asset when there's other altcoins out there that can have explosive returns like Bitcoin did in 2017. So then I sort of diversified, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys now. So my Bitcoin position isn't doing the best at the moment. It's sort of been fluctuating. This minus 24 here is mainly because I FOMO'd it in when we hit around 10.5k. Regrettably, it went down as soon as I sort of bought into it, so I feel like an idiot. But overall, my portfolio is up, and that's what that matters really. So as you can see here, Ripple is down £1.30 something. Litecoin is also down, and Ethereum's been a very good performer for me. Hasn't dipped at all into the negative section. It's just stayed up there, which I really appreciate. So I'm going to definitely look to buy a lot more Ethereum, as it's very cheap. It's around £190. I think when I bought it, it was 170-ish in that region, sorry, or 175-ish. And then I bought crypto.com, also known as CRO, and I bought that in the last 6 or 7 days, and it's done absolutely amazing for me. I'm going to buy more of it. Essentially, I bought in for around £66, and it's gone up £25 here, as you can see, which is roughly what, 30-ish percent, 35%-ish. And yeah, I'm very happy about that position. That's sort of carrying my portfolio now, and I'm very happy. The good thing about the crypto.com cryptocurrency is it's basically a stock for the Visa, the crypto.com Visa platform. And if you have enough, so you need a minimum of 4,000 MCO, which is roughly £446. And when you have that amount, then you can actually stake your currency on their platform, so you can earn up to 18% per annum, which is just nuts. So on top of your interest or your staking or whatever that you're earning, you can also, your money will also be increasing in value, which is just absolutely out of this world. And then next we have Engine Coin, that's slightly down, and Cardano, it's up around £1.90. Basic Attention Token, similar, up £1.90. And then what do we have here? Binance Coin is up 43p. The only annoying thing about using Google Sheets to track my portfolio is that it doesn't track every single cryptocurrency out there, mainly because it's not familiar with them. From my knowledge, it's only familiar with Bitcoin, XRP, and then also Ethereum. All the other cryptocurrencies that I've entered into my portfolio, I sort of have to manually manage, which is a bit annoying, but I have other apps that I use to just track my positions. So this is just more so for myself and my friend, because I've sort of got him into the crypto space, but I'm managing our portfolio. So this just means that we both have a visual representation of where our money is going and how it's performing just overall in general. So I don't have to just give him manual reports. He can just look at the portfolio himself and doesn't have to message me, which is good. Not that I don't like speaking to him, he's my friend obviously, but yeah. So then we're going to go to my portfolio. So I'm not going to click on the pie because it will show you how much I have invested in each currency, and I'm not going to do that, but I'll just go over the position. So like I said, at first I invested in Bitcoin, and I can't remember where I started, but you can see here that it's around 78% of my position, and the rest is made up of altcoins. I'm looking to increase Ethereum, as I've said, and that's mainly because it's held its value, and I really see it as an undervalued asset at the moment. There's people saying it can go up to £1,000, £28,000 for one Ethereum. So I have around, actually don't worry what I have. I have 28% of Ethereum. I think I just accidentally showed you my Bitcoin position, but oh well, not the end of the world. So as you can see here, Ripple, aka XRP, 1.8%, and then Litecoin is 1.8% as well. Ethereum's larger position, that's around 10.4%. The crypto.com, my sweet baby, I love you, 3.2%, and that's gonna go up. That needs to go up to around 5 to 10%, to be honest, because I need to start staking. And then Engine Coin as well at 1.2%, and then lastly the Binance Coin at 1.3%. So as you can see here, it's, I would say, well diversified, but there is a lot of improvement to make. I need to keep a cash position just in case I see any opportunities. I'm also looking out for altcoins that I can buy for the cheap, that can give me a good return on investment. So I've been looking at YouTubers such as Big Boy Crypto, and he recommended what was it now, Maker or Nim Quit or something like that. I'm gonna put something on the screen because I can't remember. I watched it a couple of days. I have to get rid of this. Yeah, so that's essentially my portfolio. I have a couple of different exit strategies, so I'm just going to briefly go over them. So as I keep on saying in my channel, basically there's Bitcoin dominance in the market. As the Bitcoin dominance goes down, the altcoin value will go up. So my plan is, when everything goes berserk and we're in a bull run in the next 1 to 2 years, I'm going to sell my I'm going to sell my altcoin position into Bitcoin, and then I'll just cash out everything in one go, and then I'll redeploy that cash into either dividend stocks that have a historical record of always paying their shareholders, or I will buy a stable coin maybe that has a high interest rate, such as something like a crypto.com coin, even though technically it's not a stable coin, but it's just more so for the fact that I can get a silly return on investment, like 18%. That's bloody, that's ridiculous, man. Name a bank that offers that. There's none out there. That's why I love crypto. Also, another reason why I another reason why I shifted from stock to crypto is simply because of the fact of what's going on in the world. So as we can see here on the SPY 500, we all know about what's going on in the world with the coronavirus and whatnot, and this dipped around the 23rd of March, similar to Bitcoin, which dipped at the 12th of March, and ever since then it's recovered. But what people aren't telling you is that the stock market is being propped up by fake money. So essentially this is all being propped up with fake money that the government is printing, and I just feel like there's no economic productivity to support what's going on at the moment, and this is just due for a correction, and it's going to go down. So when it does go down, I may look to deploy some cash into some stocks that pay dividends, but other than that, I'm not really looking to buy any stock at the moment, just because I don't feel safe with what's going on at the moment, and I'd prefer to just hold back and be sure of what I'm gonna do, rather than just speculate and just throw money here, there and everywhere, because it doesn't make sense. I've already lost quite a bit this year, and I'm trying to make up for it. So yeah, that's been my portfolio. If you guys have a more diverse portfolio, or if you have any recommendations for altcoins, then please let me know in the comments. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe as well. Your boy's trying to give you daily content, but it's difficult, man. It's difficult. Anyway guys, see you soon. Peace.